Making something so that I can store them up for a month because I'm out for a month, so it will be easy for my husband to cook for himself. So be with me. Basically, I'm making a Schezwan sauce, so let's cut the tomatoes. Chop them full, just a cut like this, like this, like. Put some red chilies along with them and boil it for 2 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna chop this. हो गया है तो अब हम इसमें डालेंगे फटाफट से गार्लिक एंड जिंजर और ये ऑनियन की। और अभी ये टमाटो पेस्ट को पोर कर देंगे सारा। थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट ऐड करेंगे, थोड़ा सा शुगर। नाउ मिक्स 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 सो इट लुक्स गुड। Turn the flame off and put some green coriander. Okay, so we are just waiting to let it cool. उसके बाद हम इसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे इस जार में। बहुत टेस्टी है। Do try it out. So you can store it up for a month or you can add it on in anything. Like if you want to make sandwich, आप sandwich बना सकते हो, fried rice बना सकते हो, पराठे के साथ ले सकते हो, sandwich बना रहे हो उस पे as a spread ले सकते हो and many more things. So do try it out and store it in your fridge.